The youth division, the first two big men are ready for the jump ball. And the first possession in from the team elite. And ang blue team fakes at the baseline. Wrong go. Rebound by number 6. And there's a jump ball played. Meron tayong mandatory platoon hanggang second quarter. Every 5 minutes ang palitan ng players. Baseline shot ni number 10, wrong go. Recovered by number 13. Wala pa rin yan. Na-rebound ni number 6. Number 6 in the paint. Floats. Short. Recovered by number 13 at the baseline. Number 6 puts it in. Tatlo agad ang puntos sa pula. Ayan ang kulay blue. Jumper at the perimeter line, pero wala yan. Mintis ang tira ni number 9. Yan is number 20. Is lost in the defense and it's in. What a beautiful isolation by number 20. Number 12 setting up the play. Finds number 9. Goes downtown. Bang! Fontanilla, number 8, bit with the legs, hinaharas ni number 9, number 8 steal, finds number 20, back number 8, to number 6. Lumilag siya to the sideline, put back again by number 6. Number 12, spins. Rondo, rebound by number 13, pass to number 8. Number 8, lose the ball, same ball possession. And nawala ang bola, nakuha ni number 4. Number 4 to number 9, fakes, jumps, pinasa pala yun. Number 29, libre na, and there's a foul. Committed by number 12. And number 11 is foul. First personal foul.
Si number 9 yata yung nakatira.
The first one is good. Second one, and it's good. Ayan a very supportive ang team. Elite. Palakpakan ng kanilang bench. Ayan na si number 20 from the team Mali. Looking for an open man. Finds. Jumps. Won't go. Rebound by number 6. And it's good. Ang score natin 9-5. It is first quarter. Number 12. Burning the arc.
2 points lang. Nakatapos.
2 points lang pala draft.
2 points lang. 3 points yun. Huwag kang magsasalita kasi
And number 9, easy jumper. Yes, favor tayo. 10-9. Number 10, De La Cruz. Number 20. Number 11, forcing the offense. And there's a foul committed by number. Warning delay in the game. And number 6 will be in the line for his bonus. And the first one is good. Deadlock tayo sa 10-all. In this first quarter, 5 minutes remaining. Second round, one goal, rebound by number 9. Number 9 looking for an open man, setting up the play, finds number 12. Number 12 against number 8, forcing the defense. Recovered by number 12. Overshoots, rebound by number 13. To number 20, number 8 libre na, puts it in. James Flavor tayo. Number 9, lose the ball. Single possession. Alright, platoon substitution tayo. Palit 5. Kung 10 kayo, palit 5. Kung siya, may iwan isa. May iwan yung dalawa ninyo. 8 lang kayo dito. Okay. Eh, meron tayong pangalawang technical ha. Dalawa pala yung walang ref, walang uniform sa inyo. At free throw ang pula. Ayan na ang superstar ng Mario, si Robosa, number 20. And it's good. Number 26, inbounding the ball. Number 7, number 12, pulls the 3. Anderson Paul. Number 6 is foul. Technical. Number 6.
Salit! Technical sila, anim. Technical ang blue. Wala lang naman. Anim sila.
Sobrang player na pumasok. So the red team will be awarded for another technical free throw and it's good by Robosa. 14-10. Red team are ahead by 4, number 12. And number 17, Santos finds the wrong man. Number 7, crossing the midcourt, looking for an open man, finds number 20 to number 14, back to number 20. Number 20. Well defended basketball by the blue team, number 12. Number 12 penetrates. Short ang tira, rebound na yun ni number 7. Number 7. Pass to number 9, almost losing the ball. And recovered by number 17 to number 26. Leave it to number 12. That's it in. Robosa setting up the play. Balik kay number 14. Burning the arc. Overshoots. Rebound by number 6. Puts it in. Number 26. Number 26 against number 14. Pinasakan by 5. Nalawa ng bola. Ayun na si number 14. Number 14. Scoops. Won't go. Rebound by number 17. And number 17 almost losing the ball. Finds number 15. Pro-meter shot. Overshoots. Na-rebound ni number 6. The big man ng Mario team. To number 9. Faking the 3. Back to number 20. Number 6. De La Cruz. 16-12. Team Malu are ahead by 4 points. This is number 12 forcing the defense. Number 17 pulls the 3. Overshoots. Rebound by number 6. Number 6 steal. Pass to number 20. Robosa. Baseline shot ni number 9. Wala. Nakuha ni number 12. Number 12. Nagmamadali yan. Futan. Walang bola. Number 9 to number 20. Robosa. Pass number 7. Passing to the wrong man. Nakuha ni number 5. Number 5 to number 12. Futan. Number 26, fakes. At the baseline, finds number 12. And there's a 3 seconds violation. Minute 18 in this first quarter. Yan na si number 7, throws a 3. Overshoots, rebound by number 12, Fudan. Crossing the midcourt. Trailing the defense. Puts it in. 1 minute na lang remaining. Number 20, De La Cruz. To number 14. Back to number 6. To number 7, fakes. Ang tawag na 3 seconds violation. And ang blue team, baseline shot, hindi pumasok. Robosa, in the paint, overshoots, rebound by number 12 to number 26. Number 26, 27 seconds na lang tayo. Makuling niya Fudan. Fudan. Side step 3. One go, rebound by number 20. Robosa. Robosa, crossover to number 9. Baseline shot, umikot. Nakita si number 14. 12 seconds to shoot. Nakuha rin niya ng blue team, number 26. Buzzer na lang maririnig. And that ends the first quarter of this game. Our score 16-14 in favor of the red team, Team Maliw. We are now in the second quarter of this game. Elimination between Team Maliw and FF Elite. And this time is brought to you by our honorable Concejales, Aris Nieto, Noria German, and the sportswear and Fridays, Chicken Joy and Fire.
Ilaw dun sa station din na pailaw. Kaya madilim.
Nagagawa ng bola. Nako ni Colorum, number 77, number 8. Champo. Red team baseline shot. Overshoots. Rebound by number 3. Naibit sa gitna, ilalim. Nakuha pa rin ng pula. And there's a drawing and violation. Number 1. Finds number 11. Back to number 1. Number 1, the Mighty Mouse. And a struggling violation. All defended basketball by the red team. Number 6, Fontanilla. Cooking up. Penetrates. Finds number. Nawala ang bola. The lead finds number 1. Number 1, inaras ang number 8. Pinira ni Mr. Coloro. Ayan na si number 11. Almost losing the ball, finds number 2 at the baseline. Number 8. Number 11, Selfo, floats, won't go, recovered. Baseline shot, puts it in by number 13. And I see number 1 setting up the play, finds number 11, burning the arc, puts it in. Wee! Selfo, and there's a foul. It's foul right? And number 91 is fouled. First personal. Number 8. Number 11. Finds number 9 at the baseline, overshoots. Rebound na yan lang. Balik pa rin kay Team Malo. And there's a foul committed by number 9. 91. Okay, number 91, second personal foul. Number 8 will be in the line for his bonus free throw. First one, wala. Supply ang una.
Kota na babayaran nila.
And the second one is good. And it's good. Headlock tayo sa 19 in the second quarter.
Sa third mo siya, ano.
Number 11, Selfo, puts it in. What a beautiful isolation by Selfo. Number 11 still. Oh, miscommunication. Turnover tayo. Five minutes remaining in the second quarter. Number 6 pulls short ang tira. Rebound ni number 77. Number 15 to number 11 puts it in. And ang Team Malo, number 6, the big man. Headlock na naman tayo sa 21. Number 8, forcing, threading. Lahat ng substitution. Ang susunod na maglaban ay magandang laban din ito. Team St. Rocco and Team St. Francis. Number 4 inbounded the ball to number 9. Pass to number 12. Pulls the 3. Puts it in. 3 points. Number 20 to number 40. To number 20. Finds number 8 at the baseline. Shot clock down to 7. Number 8 forcing. The shot won't go. Number 9 flies and it's good. (26-21) in favor of the blue. Red team are down by 5. Number 8 floater shot won't go. Rebound by number 0. Number 0. To number 12, and there's a foul by number 7. Team Elite inbounded the ball, number 9 to number 12. Number 12 pulls the 3, and there's a foul. Foul number 8. Number 12 will be in the line for his bonus free throws.
Pumasok ba yan? Pumasok, rep.
Pumasok. Hindi sumapit sa ano. The first one is good. Second one is good. Tatlong free throw pala yan. Na-foul siya sa 3-point lane. Third one is good. Number 12, Fudan is consistent in free throw.
Na yung kalamangan.
Number 20, threading the defense. Floater, puts it in. Number 9 to number 0, umiikot si number, and that's a traveling violation. Barbosa forcing same ball possession. Number 20, inbound to the ball. To number 8. Losing the ball. Nakuha ng team elite number 9. Number 9, ang bilis. Pass number 0. Jersey number 0 to number 4. Pulls the 3. Won't go. And recovered by the team blue. Out of bounds. Two minutes remaining in the second quarter. Number 20. Number 20. To number 8. Nice stealan yan. Well defended basketball by the blue team. Number 0. Jersey number 0 spins against number 7. And that's a jump ball. Same ball possession. Number 12, inbound the ball, finds number 9, back to number 12, Fudan, pulls the 3, short, recovered by jersey number 0, and it's goal. Selko, number 11, threading, and it's good. And one basketball, who's foul? Number 4 is fouled. Selko. First one is good. (31 wins 6 adding score. Number 12 to number 9. Short ang tira sa 3. Rebound to number 4. What a strong conversion at the baseline. Number 20. And there's a foul committed by number 12 is foul. Time out, Maliu.
Wala yung tumbler. Kayo din? Sige, back to the ball. Kayo din? Time out sila, time out pa.
Time out pa sa time out blue team.
Ikot ng tukuha ka tubig.
All right, back to the hard court. Barbosa missing the first free throw.
Meron pa sila. Meron pa.
Yan ang team elite number 12, looking for an open man. Finds number 9, finds number 0. 3 seconds violation. Number 8 forcing the offense and it's goal. And is enough. Ang oras natin, 28 seconds na lang sa second quarter. Ang ating score, 29-33 in favor of the blue. 23 seconds. Number 20 is burning the time. Number 7 pulls a 3. Airball. Nakawalo ni number 20. Number 20, libre si number 8. Puts it in. Timeout. Blue team. 3 seconds remaining in the second quarter. Degree 31, dalawang kalamangan ng blue team. 3 seconds na lang tayo. Hazard na lang maririnig. Tumira sa number 0. And that ends the second quarter of this game. We are now in the third quarter, halftime. Wala ng platoon. Parehong, yung captain ball ka muna, tawagin ka. Captain ball ng Maliw at saka yung captain ball ng elite. Captain ball ng yung elite.
Captain ball daw.
Captain ball ng elite.
Ball.
Captain ball ng Maliw.
Captain ball nyo daw. Captain ball nyo.
Captain ball. Elite. Saka yung Maliw. Captain ball.
Kota nyo, idol. Kota nyo, 2,000 pa kayo.
Kaya lang.
Yung open nyo pa nagbayad ng 2K. Tapos kailan kayo nagbayad ng... Yung Gcash ko sa inyo. Nag-Gcash. Okay na. Yung kota nyo, idol. May 2K pa kayo. Sesettle nyo ngayon, ha? Sige. Kukunin ko naman yung hingin ko yung sinundaw niya. Hingin ko yung sinundaw. Nag-bayad sila ng
yan ang team Maliw. Maliw number 26 pulls the 3. In and out ng bola. Nakuha ni number 15. Number 15 to number 1. Number 26. Malakas ang pasa. Walang bola. Number 8. Penetrates. Finds number 9. Wala yan. Naribaw na yan. Ulit ni number 6. And it's good. Antoine basketball. Counted. Who's for rep? All number 15.
91, 15. 91 daw, master. 15.
15 no.
Number 6 will be in the line.
Hit ball. Ay ano pala? Hit lock.
Headlock na tayo. Air to 3 all. Pero si number 1. Number 1. Traveling violation. Ang ipinagbabawal na technique. Fontanilla number 8. Pass to number 13. Ganda ng pasa. Bullet pass at the baseline.
Flavor.
In favor tayo. 35-33. Number 26. And there's a foul committed by number 8. Number 8, second personal foul. Number 1, number 15. Back to number 1. Number 1 seat at the baseline. Pass to number 15. Losing the ball. Nakuha na ng Team Maliw. Number 8, Fontanilla. Setting up the play. Number 25. Pulls a 3. Won't go. Rebound by number 15. Jersey number 1. Number 1 penetrates. Finds number 5 at the baseline. Fakes to number 26. Overshoots. Rebound by number 6. Number 8. Fontanilla penetrates. Finds number. Baseline shot in number 9. Won't go. Rebound by number 5. Nasundot ang mata. Number 13 is foul. Holding foul. Number 13, first personal foul. Mauricio, number 26, crossover, penetrates, and that's a traveling violation. Hindi pwede yung ganung moves. FIBA rules, one step landing, traveling yun. Ayan na si number 15, number 13, pass number 26. Back to number 13. Number 6 pulls a 3 in the paint, puts it in. 2 points. Angat sa apat ang Team Maliw. Ayan na. Elite na walang bola. Time out ulit. Time remaining in this third quarter, 6 minutes 22. Our score 37-33 in favor of the red.
Nalalak yan eh, angat mo to. Ito lang ang ilap. Wala na yaman. Galaw-galaw. Medyo paktakan natin ko doon. Kapatahin natin yan.
Alright, back to the ball game tayo.
8 minutes per quarter lang yan.
Number 13 to number 6, baseline shot. Short ang tira. Ang bilis, number 12, overshoots. Out of bounds. (37-33). The blue team are still down by 4. Nice lang. Same ball possession. Number 13. As number 26, pulls the 3. Won't go. Rebound by number 17. To number 26. Number 26. And that's a offensive foul by number 26. Number 26 to number 30. To number 6. Na walang bola. Same ball possession. Number 9, rebounded the ball to number 6. Won't go. Out of bounds. Bola na ng red team. Lane violation. Number 17 to number 26. Back to number 17. Finds number 5 to number 12. Pinasa ulit. Nakuha ni number 12 at the baseline. Forcing the defense. And there's a foul by number 9. Substitution. Substitution. Pasok. Number 11 and number 20 is in. And the first one is good. Second one is still goal. Babasa yung dalawang kalamangan ng pula. Ayan na si number 20. Number 20. Crossover. Penetrates. Floats. Pinasa kay number 13. And it's good. Hindi pala pumasok yun. Number 17 is fouled. Number 50, the counter ball to number 20. Number 20 still. Number 20. Number 20. Same on possession, there's a foul. Who's foul rep? Number 26. Second personal foul. Number 20 inbounded the ball, looking for an open man. Finds number 13. Pulls the 3. Overshoots. Rebound by number 4. To number 12. Fodan. Number 12 Seal. Back to number 70. Pass to number Seal. Short ang tira. Rebound to number 20. 2 minutes remaining in this third quarter. Yan na si number. Ang ganda ng tira, penetration shot, baseline by number 11, Salvo. And that's a lifting violation. Maliw number 25. Number 20, number 20, finds number 11, burning the arc, puts it in, wee! Number 17, finds number 4, at the baseline, step back, one go, rebound to number 13. Number 13 from the red team. Team Maliw penetrates ang bilis and it's good.
May time out po ba?
Number 20, sinisibak ang depensa and that's an offensive foul. Who's foul up? Number 6. Foul pa rin si number 6. 44-35. 2 minutes remaining in the third quarter. Fodan pulls the 3, short, rebound by number 6. Both teams are warning for their penalty. Number 11 pulls the 3, short, recovered to number 6, in the paint, nawala ang bola. Number 6 steal, pass to number 20, number 13 fakes, penetrates, and that's a foul. Who's foul? Number 7. Number 12 is foul. Second personal foul, number 12. Number 13 will be the line. The first one is good.
Pag pumasok ka.
Second one is good. Substitution. 46-35 ang ating score. Angat na sa 11 ang mga pula. NSC number. Pulls at 3, overshoots. Rebound din number 11. Fakes in the paint, floats. Short pa rin. Rebound na yan ni number 11. Salvo. Number 11, crossing the paint court. Pinuli ng depensa. And that's a lane violation. Number 12 penetrates. Well defended basketball by the red. Number 4 inbound the ball finds number 11. To number 0, trailing the defense. And that's a traveling violation. And ang team Malu number 0, number 20.
1 minute.
Number 20 to number 30. Number 20 steal, close. Overshoots, rebound by number 11. Nawalang bola. Stable possession. 52 seconds remaining in this third quarter. Yan na si number 13.
10.
Shot clock down to 9. And it's gold by number 13. 48-35 ang ating score. Number 12, Fudan to number 0. Rejected. Kuya ni number 20. Long pass to number 13. Wala yan. Recovered. Number 14. Pass to number 13. Fakes. Wanda. Recovered. Overshoots. Rebound ni number 11. Number 11 to number 6. Buzzer na lang maririnig ninyo. 15 seconds left. Rebound ni number 12. Puts it in. 8 seconds. Buzzer na lang maririnig. Air ball. And that ends the third quarter of this game, 48-37. Lamang ang pula. Team Maliw. Our next game for the night will be St. Francis versus St. Rocco from the youth division. And our third game for the night will be an exhibition game from the Team Harang and Team Hoops. And our last game for the night will be between Team Libis and Motivated Team. We are now in the last quarter of this game between Elite and Maliw from the youth division, still in the elimination round. And it's time to go to you by our sponsors. Aris Gutako, Honorable Alvin Gutako, Aris Nieto, Noriel Druman, and Mayor JV Villanueva. And as in Team Elite, finds number 0, and it's cool. What a beautiful pass. And a conversion. Number 8, hinaharas na yan ni Fudan. Number 8, and number 12 is foul. Number 12, third personal foul.
Tao-tao, kahit yung number
20,
4.
number 6. Number 6 sa baseline. Lane violation.
Nag-trap na sila.
Pinasa ulit kay number 0, inuulit ng Montik na yun, nawala. Number 8, nakita si number 14, libre na yan! Puts it in. Number 26, to number 1, to number 26, pulls the 3. Number 8, pushing foul.
Number 8, third personal foul.
Number 8, third personal foul.
Tayo.
foul ng bread. 8.
Jersey number 8.
After basket.
Basket yun, basket. Pumasok ang basket.
That is good one. 50-42 ang ating score. Inbound the ball, number 5 to number 1. Number 1, pulls a 3, beyond the arc. Whee! Yan na si number 8. Hinara si Hudan. Number 8 to number 6. Number 6 to number 8, steal. Number 8. Pakay sa number 14. On the baseline, nawala ang bola. Nakuha ni number 12. Number 12, crossing the midcourt, finds number 26. And that's a traveling violation. Double dribble. Timeout. Timeout, Maliw. Hindi counted yon. Double dribble. Our score, 45-50. The blue team are still down by 5. Meron pa kayong pick na dalawang timeout. Both teams, meron pa kayong pick na dalawang timeout.
Ayun yung kapatid niya. Yung kapatid niya yata yun. Ano silang
Alright, back to the hardcore tayo. Ayan na, man-to-man defense na. Ang ganda ng laban. 7 minutes 42 in this last quarter. And number 20. Number 20 setting up the play. Number 20. Looking for Roman, man. Finds number 6. Finds number 13. Baseline shot. Rejected. Recovered by number 6. Puts it in. Number 12, Fudan, fools a 3. And that's a foul. Committed by number 13 is fouled. Number 13, second personal foul. Fudan will be in the line for his bonus. Sablay ang unang tira. Second one, wala pa rin niya.
Shoot.
And the third one is good. And I see number 20, ready the defense, floats, puts it in. What a beautiful isolation. By number 20, and this is number 5, spins, forcing the offense, won't go, rebound by number 6. Number 6 to number 13. Number 20. Shot clock down to 10. Walang bolas, same ball possession tayo. Shot clock down to 5. Substitution. 5 seconds na lang tayo. Circle, inbound the ball, number 6. Finds number 11. Rondo, rejected me. Nahuli na number 9. Para nawala. Back to number 11. And that's a traveling violation. Well defended basketball by the blue team. Number 12 finds number 1, fakes. Number 1 steal, isolates at the baseline. Finds the room man. Ayan ang big man, number 6, na-stealan yan. Number 12 now, penetrates. Finds number 0, baseline shot, overshoots, recovered. Number 12 steal, spins. 1 go, rebound in number 13. Pass to number 20, to number 9. And that's a foul. This foul. Foul number 91. Number 91, third personal foul. Substitution. That's all. Number 9 will be in the line for his bonus. Time remaining in this fourth quarter, 5 minutes, 53. The first one is good. 55-46 ang ating score. Second one is still good. Lamang pa rin ang kapunan ng Pula Team Maliw. Ayan na si Fudan. Fudan finds number 4 again at the baseline. Puts it in. Outbound basketball. Was foul rep. Number 6 is foul. First personal foul. Number 20 setting up the play. Welcome visitors. Ito na ang mga team. May mga exhibition games natin. Susunod, third game yan. Meron pa tayong second game for the right. Number 24 in the offense. Puts it in. Number 12, Fudan, forcing, threading the defense, and it's in. Ang susunod na maglalaro ay St. Rocco and St. Francis, and our third game is an exhibition game by Team Harang, and that's a foul. Number 26. Number 26, third personal foul. Number 11, inbounded ball to number 13. Number 13, crossover. Naiwan ang dalawa. Floats. Rejected ni number 4 yan. Out of bounds. Substitution. Substitution. Time remaining 3 minutes and 50. 58-50. Lamang pa rin ang Maliw. Fudan forcing the offense na wala ang bola. And that's a late violation. Out of bounds.
Exhibition sunod.
Third.
And it's number 20. Number 20 floats. 1 go. Rebound ni number 9. To number 8. Fontanilla. Number 8. Pass to number 9 at the baseline. Baseline set ni number 11. Short. Rebound niya ni number 11 to number 26. And that's a foul. Substitution. Who's foul rep? Sino na foul rep? Number 2. Number 2 na foul. Number 8. Fourth personal foul. Fourth personal foul, number 8. Ayan na si number 11. Number 20. Fine self-ball, baseline shot. Number 9 puts it in. What a beautiful showdown basketball by the red team. And it's number 12. Number 12, crossover. Naiwan si number 8. Nawala ang bola, out of bounds. Bali ang bola sa possession ng red. Time remaining 2 minutes 42. 60-50, 10 ang kalabangan. Meron pa kayong tig na dalawang timeout. And si number 20. Number 20 spins. Number 20 still forcing the offense. Won't go. Rebound rin na ng number 30 from the red team. Number 13 forcing the offense. Finds number. Puts it in. Number 20.
Pag dead ball, idol.
Blue team are down by 12. Vayanasi number 77. Number 77 to number 2. Floater shot. Puts it in. Number 20. 1 minute 57 in this fourth quarter. Vayanasi number 20. Ready the offense. He's still in possession. Shot clock down to 10. See number 20. Number 20 trading the defense and that's a traveling violation. Substitution. Substitution. We only have 1 minute 36 seconds left in this last quarter. 62-52. The blue team are still down by 10 points. Number 1 pulls short. Overshoots. Rebound in number 9. Number 9 to number 11. Flies and it's goal. And that's number 12. Fodan forcing the offense. And it's good. Basket yan ka number 12. And there's a foul committed by number 12 is fouled. Number 12, fourth personal foul warning to Broadway. Wala pa tayong penalty. Wala pang penalty. 4 pa lang. Nakikita nyo sa screen. And it's number 20, Maliw. Maliw against number 12. Maliw still number 20. Looking for an open man. Finds number 8. And the shoot. Shot clock is down to 5. Ayan is number 8 forcing the offense. 1 ball, rebound in number 26. Number 26 to number 2. Number 2 to number 1. Pulls the 3. Short ang tira. Recovered in number 15. Our score, 64-56. Foul. Foul number 1. First personal foul number 1. We only have 45 minutes, 45 seconds remaining in this last quarter. Maganda-handa na ang team. Susunod na maglalaban, St. Rojo versus St. Francis. Pasok ang unang tira ni number 11. Second one is good. This is number 12. Number 12 forcing the offense, pulls a 3, puts it in, 3! And it's number 20. 33 seconds remaining. And that's a foul. Who's foul? Number 1 is fouled. We are now in the penalty situation. Number 20 will be the line for his bonus. Sablay ang unang tira. Second one is good. Score natin 67-59 in favor of the red. Yan ang si number 12. We only have 27 seconds. Number 12 pulls the 3 short. Rebound number 13. Number 13, long pass to number 11. Libre na si Celta. And it's good. 17 seconds remaining. Number 1. Kasi number 15. Wala pa rin yan. 10 seconds remaining. And that is the game for